Good morning everybody. I just wanted to touch again on my solar panels because I feel when I did my last video I just kind of brushed off at top of them. I didn't really go into much detail with them, so I just thought I'd make a quick video just to cover a bit more about them and why I've put them where I have. Me and my wife, we currently rent, so we can't put any solar panels on the roof, so my next best option is to side mount them onto the wall. It just gives us option then if we do decide to move or out like that, I can take them with us and they're not fixed at house. So my plans for this year are to get these two solar panels that I've currently got here and put them on unistrut mounts, so then I can make it so I can angle them a bit easier than I can currently. At the minute I've just got two hinges for each solar panel. I don't know if you can see them at top. Focus. I've got one there, there, and there, and that enables me then, so in winter time I can have my panels down like this, and then in summertime I can put them up at more of an angle to get that sun when it's higher up in the sky. What I'll do is I'll put a picture down here somewhere in the corner that shows them in the angle position for the summertime. I think the angle they're currently in at minute is 80 degrees off vertical, I think, and then in summertime they'll be up at 35 degrees off vertical. I am eventually going to be adding two more panels up here somewhere. I'm not sure whether I'm going to go full like long ways or whether I'm going to go one across that side and then one across there in that gap as well. I'll run them on two separate strings, so the top panels will be on one string and bottom panels will be on another. Hopefully that clears up a little bit more as to why I've put my panels on side of house rather than roof mounting them. So if you've got any comments or out like that, any questions you want to ask me, just drop them down in comments below and I'll try and answer them as best as I can. Cheers for watching.